Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking the correct tip size and preparing both the buds and your ears. You need a clean, dry surface so silicone grips and sound aren't compromised. Once done, hold the stem, tilt your head slightly back, insert the tip into the canal, and rotate about 45 degrees to lock the seal. You'll feel a gentle suction when fitted properly. That seal improves base and stability, so make small adjustments until you sense even pressure and secure contact. Now refine fit and stability by micro-adjusting depth in small 2 to 3 millimeter steps. Moving just a little changes pressure and frequency response. If you sweat or run, swap to foam or wing tips to increase friction and prevent slippage. Make sure the stem rests along your cheekbone rather than pulling straight out. That anchors the earbud. Once positioned, tuck any cable under a collar or use an ear hook so motion won't dislodge the bud while maintaining sound quality and comfort. Finish by playing a familiar track or test tone to confirm bass presence, clarity, and stereo balance. You'll hear if the seal is right. If anything pinches or feels dull, reduce insertion depth slightly or switch tip material to foam for pressure relief. Foam expands to fill the canal. If you experience dropouts, inspect and clean charging contacts, reseat the bud in the case, and reset Bluetooth pairing if needed. One quick troubleshooting tip. Swap tips and retest to isolate fit versus hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.